Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore some of the longest natural and man-made structures in the world. From underwater tunnels to highways, rivers to mountains, let's delve into these astonishing lengths. Longest underwater tunnel, Channel Tunnel, approximately 50 kilometers. With a total length of about 50.5 kilometers, of which approximately 37.9 kilometers is underwater, it is the longest underwater tunnel in the world. Located in the English Channel, it connects Dover in the UK and Calais in France. Construction began in 1988. The maximum speed of passenger trains can reach 160 kilometers per hour, typically completing the crossing in 35 minutes. Longest beach, Copacabana Beach, approximately 245 kilometers. This beach stretches along the southern coast of Rio de Janeiro, connecting the city of Cabo Frio and the Argentine border. Copacabana Beach is a tourist destination that combines natural beauty, abundant activities, and convenient facilities, making it ideal for all kinds of visitors to enjoy the sun and sea. Longest glacier, Lambert Glacier, approximately 100 kilometers. Located in Antarctica, Lambert Glacier is part of the East Antarctic Ice Sheet. It is about 100 kilometers long, approximately 62 miles, and approximately 30 kilometers wide, about 19 miles, making it the largest glacier in the world. Its thickness can reach several thousand meters, storing a vast amount of ice water. Longest ice sheet, East Antarctic Ice Sheet, approximately 3,500 kilometers. This is actually a massive ice sheet rather than a traditional glacier. The East Antarctic Ice Sheet is located in the eastern part of Antarctica and is one of the two main ice sheets on the continent, the other being the West Antarctic Ice Sheet. It covers an area of approximately 1,500,000 square kilometers and is one of the largest ice bodies globally. The average thickness of the East Antarctic Ice Sheet is about 3,200 meters, approximately 10,500 feet, with some areas exceeding 4,800 meters, about 15,700 feet. It stores about 70% of the world's freshwater ice, and if it were to melt completely, it is expected to raise global sea levels by about 60 meters, approximately 197 feet. Longest continuous desert, Sahara Desert, approximately 4,800 kilometers. Located in North Africa, the Sahara Desert stretches about 9,200,000 square kilometers, approximately 3,600,000 square miles, making it the largest hot desert in the world. The Sahara spans multiple countries, including Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Niger, Chad, Mali, and Mauritania. The climate is extremely dry, with annual precipitation typically less than 250 millimeters, about 10 inches, and some areas receive less than 50 millimeters, about 2 inches. Daytime temperatures can exceed 40 degrees Celsius, approximately 104 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures may drop below 0 degrees, approximately 32 degrees. Longest river, Nile River, approximately 6,650 kilometers. Located in Africa, the Nile River is approximately 6,650 kilometers long, about 4,130 miles, and flows through several countries, including Uganda, Sudan, and Egypt, before emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile's source is Lake Victoria in Uganda, and the river first flows north through Uganda and South Sudan, then passes through Sudan and Egypt, eventually splitting into several tributaries near Cairo, where it flows into the Mediterranean. Longest mountain range, Andes Mountains, approximately 7,000 kilometers. Stretching from northern Colombia to southern Argentina, the Andes Mountains span multiple countries, including Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, and Argentina. The ecosystem is incredibly rich, from tropical rainforests to high-altitude meadows, housing various unique species such as the Andean condor and South American camelids, like llamas and alpacas. Longest railway, Trans-Siberian Railway, approximately 9,289 kilometers. Construction of this railway began in 1891 and took 27 years to complete, finishing in 1916, making it the longest railway in the world at that time. It starts in Moscow and passes through several important cities, including Nizhny Novgorod, Yekaterinburg, Taishet, and Irkutsk, eventually reaching Vladivostok. The scenery along the route is breathtaking, featuring vast forests, lakes, and mountains. The Trans-Siberian Railway offers a unique travel experience, with many tourists choosing to start from Moscow and enjoy the views and culture over several days. Longest wall, Great Wall of China, approximately 21,196 kilometers. The world's longest wall is the Great Wall of China. This ancient defensive project began in the 7th century BC and was expanded and repaired over several dynasties, ultimately forming the Great Wall we know today. It spans over 20,000 kilometers, crossing multiple provinces, and holds significant historical and cultural value. The Great Wall not only served as a barrier against invasions, but also symbolizes ancient Chinese engineering prowess. Longest highway, Pan-American Highway, approximately 30,000 kilometers. This highway connects North America, Central America, and South America, forming an extensive international road network. It stretches about 30,000 kilometers, approximately 19,000 miles, starting in Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, and ending in Ushuaia, Argentina. Along its route, it links many major cities, including Los Angeles, Mexico City, Bogota, and Lima. Longest coastline, Canada's coastline, approximately 280 kilometers. This coastline encompasses Canada's various provinces and territories, including Alaska, creating a highly intricate geography. Canada's coastline features many islands, such as Baffin Island, Vancouver Island, and Newfoundland, which contribute to the coastline's length. Canada's coastline is not only significant geographically, but also plays a crucial role in the economy, culture, and environmental protection, embodying diversity and rich natural resources that are valuable to the nation. Through today's sharing, we not only learned about these remarkable lengths. I hope everyone continues to explore this beautiful world. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.